Logging into Bybit on PC is a challenge for many Africans who have had issues where their government has blocked access to crypto websites. Example, Nigeria. So if you're struggling to log into Bybit on your laptop, on your desktop computer, this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Uncle Wealth and I'm welcoming you to the Satoshi African Academy, where our focus is on spreading crypto adoption across Africa. In this video, you're going to learn how to log into Bybit on your laptop or your desktop computer. So first thing is that you need to have a secured browser. There's no point making money in crypto if you are not using a good browser. So, one of the safest browsers out there for crypto is the Brave browser. One of the benefits of it is that apart from just having access to your normal sites, it is built on Chromium, the same tech that is used to build the Google Chrome. So, not only that, it helps you to add, crypto extensions, which you can use to go about your crypto activities on your PC, as long as you don't have access to your phone, or you're not close to your phone, or you just choose to, access it on your PC. So let's head to it. We're using the Brave browser. So you want to go to https://bybitglobal.com. Now, this is different from the bybit.com. With bybit.com, you will be restricted, and you need a VPN. But with the bybitglobal.com site, you will not need any VPN. You just log into your site normally. So we have typed this on our pad, and then we copy it, and then we go to our browser, and then we paste it and go. So you can see it's loaded. Now your same criteria that you used to log into your app, the same information that you used to log into your Bybit app is the same information that you use to log in. So if you have your email, you just log in from here. So it's as simple as that. All you need to do is click on login, and then it's going to open up your login page. Now you can log in with your email and password here. You can log in with your mobile phone number depending on how you registered, and you can log in with your QR code. Now with the QR code, all you need to do is you scan this code, open your Bybit app, and then you go to the top. You will see this symbol. You see the symbol, this four-cornered bracket with a slash on your Bybit app. And then all you need to do is click on that button, and then it will open the camera for you to scan this barcode. When you scan this barcode, it will log you in. In fact, I say this is one of the fastest ways to log in without all the procedures of going to your email to confirm or to get a password. Bybit just makes this easier and faster. So you want to log in within a few seconds. The scan code, as long as your internet is working fine, your scan code is the best. You can also log into your sub account if you have a sub account under it. Now, if you're yet to sign up, you can also sign up here. So with this website, you don't need to use a VPN. All you just do is log in. And also this website allows you to access your Web3 on your Bybit platform. So you can see the Web3 access is also here, where you can go about your Web3 activities. So we are here for the exchange. So with the exchange platform, you don't even need to on your VPN, like I said. So I'm going to log in now. So you see the interface and you notice that everything is just the same. Everything you have on your app is available here on the exchange. So this is just the on the exchange website. This is the global exchange website. So bybitglobal.com is where you're logging in. So I'm going to log in now, and I'm going to go off screen so that I can log in now, and then we continue. So guys, we are logged in into our Bybit, and as you can see, we are logged in. One of the things you'll notice is that you'll see your login symbol here, over here. So like I said, everything inside the app is here. If you check here, you can see buy crypto using P2P. You can see one-click buy. You can see fiat deposit, your convert, your crypto deposits. Over here at markets, we have the markets here. Over here we have the trading tab, where you can buy trade spots over here. You can trade your futures over here. And for those who are into options contracts from Africa, you can also go into your options here. All right, so we have TradeFi here. Bybit now allows you to trade foreign stocks, especially American stocks, because they are bridging TradeFi into Web3. So you can sign up here to link your Bybits to your MT5. And there's spread trading and pre-market trading for projects that are yet to launch and are still open for speculators. Over here we have the copy trading. We also have TradeGPT. TradeGPT allows you to see what AI is saying about a particular project and what it thinks that you should do. It gives you recommendations on whether it's best for you to enter a buy or sell trade. But always remember that when you're dealing with AI, sometimes AI makes mistakes because AI is always learning. So TradeGPT is a useful tool, and so that it helps you guide, it helps to guide you with your analysis if you are, you're already good into your analysis. So trading bot is here, and trading view is here, TradeFi, position builder, demo trading, then also the finance products are over here. Then you want to learn, you watch live streams, announcements, and Bybit learn. All right, so this is basically it. You just come to bybitglobal.com and /en, which is the English version, and you will see that everything on your Bybit app is available here. You don't need to use a VPN if your government has blocked your access to your crypto website. So try it today, and then if you have any questions, please share it in the comments. We want you to enjoy your crypto journey, because crypto is changing lives positively. Forget about the news that, the bad news that is coming out from Africa. It's just happening also around the world. Anywhere there's innovation, there's going to be bad actors. But the most important thing is that you should use crypto for good, use crypto for legal purposes, and then you're going to achieve amazing things. With that said, if you're yet to subscribe, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and share this video with another beginner close to you who wants to learn about crypto. We are building a platform for crypto adoption, and we want more beginners to know that crypto can do amazing things. So thank you for watching till now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.